10 Best Survey Apps That Pay. Do you know that you can be compensated for sharing your thoughts? One of the finest and easiest ways to generate money online, especially for beginners, is to take online surveys. You can earn money from the comfort of your own home, office, or even while traveling and redeem it via PayPal or check. Some platforms also offer gift cards like Amazon's, while others provide additional prizes such as sweepstakes entries. And all you need is a phone and an internet connection. In this video, we shall be exploring the 10 best survey apps available, how they work, and how to earn money using them. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. 1. Survey Junkie. When it comes to the best survey apps that pay, Survey Junkie always stands out on the list. It comes with amazing features, giving it a 4.5 rating from Trustpilot. It has over 10 million members, and you can receive payment via PayPal, e-gift cards, and popular direct bank transfer. Survey Junkie pays you as low as 600 points, which are about $10 in rewards. The only condition to participate in the survey is that you must be 16 years or older and be a resident in the United States. The app is accessible for iOS and Android devices with a file size of 8.30 megabits. 2. LifePoints. LifePoint has partnered with renowned retail brands such as PayPal, Amazon, Applebee's, and Barnes & Noble, among others, ranking among the best survey apps that pay. You can earn points for participating in surveys, daily trivia quiz, personality profiler, and on-the-go location by turning on your geolocation. LifePoint has received a 4.4 rating out of 5 by Trustpilot. All you have to do is download the LifePoints app, which is only 5.63 megabytes, to your iOS or Android device, sign up, and build your profile. After that, you'll start receiving invitations to participate in simple paid surveys tailored to your specific likes and interests. 3. Swagbucks. On Swagbucks, you make money by doing surveys, watching movies, surfing the web, and testing product samples. With Swagbucks, you can start cashing out your reward points for as little as $3 in gift cards while taking multiple surveys on the go. These are usually gift cards for your favorite restaurants and stores. It also offers a $10 welcome bonus for new members who sign into the app. The app is available for iOS and Android devices with a file size of 29.87 megabits and a 4.2 rating. 4. InboxDollars. To provide a strong network of earning opportunities, InboxDollars has worked with some of the most reputable retail technology and market research businesses. As a result, members have received nearly $57 million in cash prizes since 2000. InboxDollars pays you not only for doing surveys, but also for reading emails, completing offers, playing games, and shopping online. The more activities you do, the faster you will be paid, and once you have $30 in your account, you will be able to cash out with a check or gift card. With a 3.9 rating and a file size of 21.38 megabytes, InboxDollars is available for Android and iOS smartphones. 5. Zap Surveys. If you qualify for the correct surveys, Zap Surveys is one of the best survey applications that pay users rapidly. They commonly use PayPal or an Amazon gift card to pay. Its online surveys cost anything between 30 cents and $100. Zap will pay you $6 for your first survey, which is nice to gain some quick cash. However, you must match specific standards and demographics to qualify for some of their profitable surveys. 6. Mobile Expression. Mobile Expression was presented by one of the world's most prestigious market research organizations, Comscore. While most online survey sites require you to complete several tasks before earning money, Mobile Expression pays you for doing nothing more than sharing your mobile browsing data. Joining Mobile Expression is free, and you can get paid in cash, gift cards, or merchandise. In addition, they track and gather information about your mobile browsing, app usage, video streaming activity, call and message frequency, and so on. So, if you're comfortable giving such information while still making money, Mobile Expression is the app for you. Mobile expression is available for both Android and iOS devices with a file size of 6.60 megabytes, and it has a 4.2 rating. 7. Shopkick. You can earn kicks and cashback on Shopkick by walking into stores, online or offline, and scanning product barcodes through your app while you shop. Shopkick will ask you some brief questions about your trip, which may include product placement and brand opinions, and you'll earn kicks for gift cards. Shopkick also pays you for watching videos. Your shopping pattern tells researchers of major brands like Amazon, Walmart, Huggies, Starbucks, Nike, eBay, Best Buy, and more what users prefer to buy. It's available for iOS and Android devices with a file size of 58.24 megabytes, and they also have a 3.4 rating. 8. Toluna Influencer. Toluna Influencers was founded in 2000 and has since evolved to become one of the most well-known and popular online survey apps available, with a 3.6 rating. The app is 15.09 megabytes in size and is available for Android and iOS devices. You can win rewards with Toluna simply by sharing your thoughts. It might be as basic as expressing how much you appreciate your restaurant meal, or responding to a few simple questions regarding your fitness habits. It's crucial to note that the points you earn with this app expire 12 months after you acquire them. That means you'll need to make enough money before then to cash out. You may exchange your points for various incentives, including cash, gift cards, e-vouchers, and more. 9. Harris Poll. Harris Interactive, a New York-based corporation, founded Harris Poll in 1975. They specialize in market research and have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Various marketing organizations in the United States and Europe have identified them as one of the largest and best survey apps that pay. However, the downside of Harris Poll is that you won't know what the reward for each survey is worth until you've completed the questionnaire. And you can't cash out at any time. To buy a gift card with your points, you'll need to acquire at least 1250 points, which is worth $10. 10. Happy Surveys. If you'd like to make some free, easy money while you're bored at home or out, you can download the Happy Surveys app to start monetizing your free time instantly. The Happy Survey is one of the best survey apps that pay, with a 4.5 rating from users. You can earn credit rewards by completing surveys and then redeeming them for cash via PayPal. With a file size of 8.44 megabytes, Happy Survey is available for Android and iOS smartphones. So, have you ever taken part in an online survey? Which apps did you use, and which among these will you try? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.